welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we are going to discuss the theory question paper of Sunitpur District. This question paper was sent by one of my subscriber. Thank you. And here are the solved answer. At first, there was fill in the blanks for 4 marks. The length of IPv4 and IPv6 is 4 and 16 bytes respectively. And here if comes for bits, then you will write 32 and 128 bits. Okay, there is difference between bits and bytes. The loop attribute of audio tag indicates that you can replay the audio file once it is finished. The underscore wildcard allow finding a match for any single character. For any single character we use underscore, and for any number of characters or 0 or more character we use percentage sign. So remember that array is a collection of similar data items where elements are stored in contiguous memory location. And after the fill in the blanks, here are the MCQ multiple choice questions. So the first one, using which command different directories. I think that sentence is incomplete. The sentence doesn't giving any meaning. But to do these things, uploading file, downloading file, delete file, for that we normally use ftp command. Number B, a property and its value are collectively known as, it is declaration. The command used to delete a database physically, it is drop. Then if a function call itself, we name it as recursion and the function is called recursive function. After that, true and false. The IP is mainly designed for addressing incoming emails. False. For incoming emails we use POP, Post Office Protocol. SRC is attribute of IMG tag. SRC attributes with IMG tag stands for structure. It is false. It is not structure, it is source. In a do while loop, the condition is written at the end. It is true. The asterisk used to declare pointer is same as, it is true. We use the same asterisk only. There is no two asterisk symbol in the keyboard. Then 1 mark questions. It is the type of network which are used to interconnect two or more heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means different type of network. The answer is router. Which are the tag used to write note about the HTML document. It is comment tag, and comments are ignored by the browser. The way of CSS used to define style for a single page. It is internal CSS, for multiple page external CSS, and for a single HTML tag it is inline CSS. Remember that. And here Ruchika want to start her order list with Roman numerals. For numbering means she need Roman numbers 1 to 3. For that she should use type attribute of order list and the value should be I. What is called when one part of the web page is linked to another section of the same? It is internal link. Which tag is used to create frames in HTML5? It is iframe tag. And when you are writing tags, don't forget to give the brackets. Name two constraints, primary key, not null, enum. There are so many, you can write any two. Declare any integer array with sufficient capacity. Here capacity is not provided, so in bracket we can write size, or you can give any random number. So the code will be int arr, in square bracket you write size, and you can write also declaration like arr is the name of the array, and in size we will define the size of it. Name two parts of function. There are actually 3 parts, but in question asked only 2, so we'll write 2 only. Function declaration, function call, and the third one is function definition. How many bytes need to store in integer pointer variable? We need to, it is integer pointer. I forgot to write the integer part. It is 4 bytes. Then answer the following: difference between LAN and WAN. Here you can see the answer. Pause the screen and see the answer. Number B, give example of valid IPv4 and invalid IPv4 address. Like for an IPv4 address, the number should be in the range of 0 to 255, and it should be in 4 groups, and also it should be separated by dots. So that is the explanation part, and you can give any number. And for invalid IP, just you can write the same number, just increase one group more than 255, or don't write one group, you write 3 groups, then it will be invalid IPv4 address. Write down 2 features of HTML. Here are the features. Then why you include hyperlink in a web page? We can give 2 reasons, like to connect the web pages and to attach file. What is constraint? It is very common question. In its district this question came, so definitely it may come in matric also. Then what are the command? What is DML command? It is used to modify the database, data manipulation. And example, insert. What do you mean by programming paradigm? Paradigms are way to classify programming language based on their features, and we can divide the programming language with different multiple paradigms. For example, OP, POP, etc. Limitation of array, you can write these points. After that, what is a global variable? Why we need such variable? The reason we can give global variable, we need when the variable have to be accessed by multiple functions, and it reduces the overhead passing values as parameter. Means when we use a local variable, always we have to when we have to send it to another function for calculation, we have to pass through parameters. But in while we use global variable, we no need to pass the value. Then how pointer is different from normal, you can write this answer. Then what is programming object oriented programming? Any two characteristics, you can write this answer. Number 10, we have to create a web page. There we have to create an order list. There we will have to write 5 district name, and also we have to insert an image, and we have to put border. For that, first line will be doc.html, then head, inside head we will write title at districts of Assam. Then in body we will again use heading 1 and districts of Assam, and we will write inside order list we will write 5 districts. Then a flowchart for finding summation of integer, it is directly from book. You can draw this flowchart. After that, this is also directly from the book only, you can write this answer. Now MySQL 1, we have to create a database, that name is customart, and declaration is here. So answer will be this one. We will create the table by using this command, and after that 3 more questions were there. Display the structure, for that we will write describe customer, and insert 5 records, we will write this command. Display all the record, for that we will write select star for customers. The last question, rules for naming a table in MySQL. There are already 5 rules in the book, so you have to write all the 5 rules, because there the marks is given as 5. So this will be the answer for that particular questions. So thank you for watching. The PDF copy might be available in Telegram. Sometime I am not providing it because I need very hard work to prepare the notes, and if I give it directly on Telegram, so no one will be coming to my channel, so what will be the use of it? So you can understand. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.